Creating a virtual machine in Microsoft Azure involves a few straightforward steps. Here's a quick guide. Sign into Azure Portal. Go to Azure Portal and log in with your Microsoft account. Create a virtual machine. Click on Create a Resource and select Virtual Machine from the list. Configure basic settings, subscription, resource group, virtual machine name, region, availability options. Choose an image. Select the OS you want. You can choose from Azure's gallery or upload your own image. Size and configuration. Size. Choose a VM size based on your performance and cost requirements. Azure provides different sizes optimized for various workloads. Authentication. Choose between password or SSH public key for authentication. Enter your credentials. Configure network. Configure the virtual network, subnet, and public IP address if needed. You can use default settings or customize. Review and create. Review your settings and click Create. Azure will start provisioning your VM. Access your VM. Once created, you can access the VM using the public IP address or DNS name via RDP or SSH.